So in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen, guys. So come on with me. Okay, so I'm not just ready to take down the Thanksgiving stuff. I have stuff on the counter along with other stuff that doesn't belong there. So this is why we're getting everything all cleaned up so that I can start fresh. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate. So guys, I am encouraging you to join us because that's what we do. We clean areas and we decorate. So this is a fun collaboration, guys. Now, who's hosting this collab? Well, we have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and we also have Debbie Bubbles. So we are excited to have you. Please join, and let me leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the cleaning. So here we are cleaning the dishes. I just feel like I'm always in this sink, and I always have the dishwasher running. There's only 2 of us in this house. I just don't get it, guys. It's just constant. It's a constant. And so because I'm always filming and I have boxes of Christmas stuff all over the place, tablescapes and all kinds of stuff. I even craft up on the counter because I like crafting standing up. So here we are. It just winds up getting all like out of whack, everything. And I cannot continue and function with all this stuff all over the counter. So we're just going to go ahead and we are loading the dishwasher, cleaning out the sink, and we'll continue from there. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And I do have 3. I will be linking those below in the description box. So the dishes are all loaded in the dishwasher. Some of them I wind up washing by hands, especially the pots because they take up so much room. And now we're over here cleaning the top of the stove so that we can get it dirty again because I have a video to do. But we're going to go ahead and wipe it down, just grab my coffee, and we got to keep this moving, guys. Now here we are, we moved on over to the counter. This is where I have, this is not even where I have all my wood blocks, but this is the one I have my favorite one on. And I have a succulent there and quite a bit of stuff that I normally keep there. It's the excess we're trying to get rid of, guys. And we also want to wipe everything down before we start anything new. So believe it or not, I got those little mini jars there with the wood tops from the Dollar Tree. That was a great find. And of course, I always have my cross, and the cookies is the reason why we're wiping a lot of this stuff down. And then we'll go ahead and place it back. But as you can see, I just filled up the cookie jar and it's dwindling, guys. All right, let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. And yes, I do have a cold, so I'm trying to get rid of that.